Welcome to Tesla Live to Learn. In previous lecture, we have solved some example problems in pipes and cisterns aptitude concept, in which we have calculated the part of the tank that can be filled or emptied and total time taken to fill or empty the tank when both inlet pipe and outlet pipe are opened simultaneously. In this video also, we are going to see similar kind of problems. So let us recall the formula which we have used to calculate the total time taken to fill or empty the tank. So for that we have assumed that inlet pipe takes m number of hours to fill the tank and outlet pipe takes n number of hours to empty the full tank when they are operated individually. Inlet pipe takes m number of hours and outlet pipe takes n number of hours to fill and empty the tank when they are operated or when they are opened individually. Now let us consider that they have been opened simultaneously. Suppose if m greater than n, that is time taken by the inlet pipe is more than that of time taken by the outlet pipe, then the tank will be emptied after some time, because the work done by outlet pipe is more than that of work done by inlet pipe in certain interval of time. So the tank will be emptied after some time. So in that case, the total time taken to empty the tank can be given as mn by m minus n. Okay, this is important formula. What are all the required conditions? Both pipes should open at same time, and inlet pipe takes more amount of time than outlet pipe. So the time taken to empty the tank can be given as T equal to mn by m minus n. Suppose if n greater than m, that is outlet pipe takes more amount of time than inlet pipe, then finally the tank will be filled after some time. In a given interval of time, work done by inlet pipe is more than that of work done by outlet pipe. So the tank will be filled after some time. So the total time taken to fill the tank is mn by n minus m. What is the condition? Outlet pipe takes more amount of time than inlet pipe, and both the pipes are opened simultaneously. Very easy to remember. If outlet pipe takes more amount of time, we use mn by n minus m. If inlet pipe takes more amount of time, we use mn by m minus n. Now let us see question number 4. A water tank is 2/5 full and a pipe A takes 10 hours to fill the tank and pipe B takes 6 hours to empty the full tank. If both are opened simultaneously, then how long will it take to empty the tank? So they have already given that the tank will be emptied after some time. Outlet pipe takes 6 hours to empty the tank, whereas inlet pipe takes 10 hours to fill the tank. And one more important point is the tank is 2/5 full, not a full tank. Okay, these formulas are for 1 unit of tank, that is a full tank. Okay, here in question they have mentioned that the tank is 2/5 full. So what is the formula to empty the tank? T equal to, what is the m? 10 hours. what is the n? 6 by m minus n, 10 minus 6, which is equal to 60 by 4, 15 hours to empty 1 unit of tank. But they have mentioned that tank is 2/5 full. Therefore, to empty 2/5 of tank, we required 2 by 5 into 15, that is 6 hours. So read the question properly. This 15 hours will be there in the options. If you get confused, you will end up with the wrong answer. So we must read the question properly. The key point is the tank is 2/5 full. So we have multiplied the time we have got for 1 unit of tank into 2/5, will get final answer as 6 hours. If tank is 1 by 2 full, we'll multiply 1 by 2 into 15. If tank is 1 by 3 full, we'll multiply by 1 by 3 into 15, just like that. Okay. Now let us come to the question number 5. A pipe can fill the tank in 10 hours. Due to leakage at the bottom of the tank, it takes 20 hours to fill. If the tank is full, then how long will it take? Leak takes to empty the tank. Okay. They have mentioned that there is a leakage, which is nothing but outlet pipe, and inlet pipe takes 10 hours time to fill the tank. Due to this leakage and this inlet pipe, the tank will be filled in 20 hours. So they have mentioned the T value 20 hours, M value inlet pipe 10 hours, and they are asking how long will the leak takes to empty the tank. So we need to find out the n value. Okay. So 20 equal to 10 into n by n minus 10. Therefore 20n minus 200 gives 10n. N will be given as 10n will be given as 200. Therefore our answer n equal to 200 by 10, which is 20 hours. So very simple problems. Here they have given that tank is 2/5 full, so we multiplied by 2 by 5. Here they didn't mention the time taken by the outlet pipe, that is nothing but leakage in this problem. So, and they have mentioned the total time. Total time is 20 and m is 10 hours. If you practice more number of problems, you can directly come to this particular step. 20 equal to 10n minus n minus 10. Okay. 20 equal to 10n by n minus 10. Here also, if you practice more number of problems, you can directly come to t equal to 10 into 6 by 10 minus 6. Simply you can get the answer in 20 seconds. Hope you like this video, and please do subscribe to Tesla Live to Learn YouTube channel. There is a course on DC machines in Tesla Live to Learn channel. If you are electrical students, please check it out.